Can you unmute yourself, start your camera and state your name, please?
Khalil Oaks.
Oaks, good morning to you, Mr. Oaks.
Good morning.
So I'm gonna put you back in the waiting room momentarily. You're not gonna lose your spot. Brandon. And Arena. Good morning to you, sir. Brandon Camarena.
Hello, yes.
Good morning to you. What is your name, sir?
Brandon Jesus Camarena.
Do you need an interpreter?
Yes.
Do you have a case number? Como su casa nombre? Como su casa nombre? SP
17862 591.
Brandon Camarena Blancas.
Yes.
We need an interpreter. Maybe I overlooked this one.
Okay. Person like this. Is this the one we use to interpret? Okay. Yeah, that's it.
Mr. Potts, Attorney Potts, you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
E. Gibson, is that your client?
Yeah, I'm here on Eric Gibson and Blancas.
And Blancas?
Yes.
Okay, Blancas is here. We're gonna give him an interpreter.
Okay, and then Gibson is set for trial today. Did Gibson check in?
I haven't seen him yet.
Okay.
On Brandon, you unmute yourself, sir?
Good morning, Your Honor.
Yeah, what's your name, sir? Good morning to you.
Brandon Green.
Brandon Green.
Yes.
Okay, Mr. Green, I'm gonna put you back in the waiting room. You're not gonna lose your spot, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Good morning. Attorney David Newman is checking in for Ibrahim Omar.
Good morning to you. Ibrahim Omar.
Yes, Your Honor.
On the Zoom user, can you unmute yourself, start your camera and state your name, please? Good morning to you.
Lamar Lockhart. I'm trying to see him out in the right courtroom.
What is your name?
Lamar Lockhart.
Lamar Lockhart. It sounds like you're. Lamar Lockhart Simmons.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
You're in the right. You're in the right courtroom. I'm gonna put you back in the waiting room. You're not gonna lose your spot, all right?
Okay.
Is that Lamar with two R's or one R?
With 2 R's.
You see that on the document, sometimes just one of them just has one R. Lamar Lockhart, one of them just has one R. Lockhart Simmons on the second page. All right. Attorney Lacy, good morning to you. Who's your
Yes.
client?
Good morning, Your Honor. Hello, Your Honor.
Yes, good morning.
Good morning. So my client's at my office. I'm about to leave for the office now, but I need to be in a breakout room with the prosecutor.
What is your client's name?
It is Aran Jesus Leon. I'm
Leon.
sorry. Yes, Leon.
Ron Jesus Leon.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, I'm gonna give you privileges. You can go to 4. I haven't seen Mr. Leon yet. Does he need an interpreter?
No, he doesn't. He doesn't.
So you can wait in 4 for the city attorney.
Thank you. Thank you, Your Honor, very much.
Jazzy, your client is here.
Oh, okay. If I could be put in a breakout room, Your Honor, I would appreciate it as well.
With him or with the city attorney?
City attorney.
All right, the city attorney is gonna be in 4 whenever she comes.
Okay.
Thank you. All the attorneys can go to 4 for your clients.
Your Honor, I was waiting till 9 o'clock to see if the officer was going to show up on my client.
That's fine.
Okay, thank you.
C. Deskins. Was that Officer Deskins?
Yes, sir.
Morning to you. Kayla's iPhone. Good morning to you, ma'am. What is your full name?
You got me?
Kayla's iPhone.
Oh,
I'm speaking to the young lady sitting on the chair, on the couch.
yes. Yes.
What is your full name, ma'am?
Shaquila Lusk.
Shaquila
Lusk. Lusk.
Lusk, Lusk. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
I'm gonna put you back in the waiting room. You're not gonna lose your spot, okay?
Okay.
Zoom user. Zoom user. Good morning to you, sir. What is your name, please? You have to unmute yourself.
Good morning, Dominique Lipscomb.
All right, good morning to you, Mr. Lipscomb.
Good morning.
Your matter is not set to start until 9 o'clock. I'm gonna give the officer a half-hour grace period from 9 o'clock to 9:30. If the officer does not appear, we'll get you out of here. If the officer does appear, then we'll get you in a breakout room with an attorney, okay?
Okay, thank you.
I'm gonna put you back in the waiting room momentarily. You're not gonna lose your spot.
Okay.
Spot.
Yo, Nicholas Schwamberg. Unmute yourself, start your camera and state your name, please. You have to start your camera. That's
I'm
not
so
an
sorry. One
option.
moment. I'm on. Can you briefly pass this matter? I'm stuck on another one. Can you switch right back to me?
Are you an attorney?
Yeah. Yes, I am.
And who is your client?
Oh, I'm sorry. It's not named. I am on Micah Layton.
Michael Layton? Okay. Good morning.
Good morning, sir. Devin out. Devin out.
Schwamberg, I'm gonna make the call stop. And your client again, I'm sorry.
Micah. It's Micah Layton.
Layton.
That's
The way it works is, you give the officer a half-hour grace period from 8:30 to 9. If the officer appears, we'll get you in you can go straight to room 4 and wait on the city attorney. If the officer does not appear, then you know what to do. If you want to waive your client's presence, we're gonna make a record of that, all right? I'm gonna put you in the breakout 4, and you can wait on the city attorney for the officer
Okay. By 9 a.m.
by 9 a.m.
Okay, thank you.
Attorney Waskey, good morning to you.
Morning,
Good
Judge.
morning.
Good morning.
Good morning to you, Attorney Waskey. Who's your
Morning.
client?
I have Johnny Lucas, Lucas, 9 o'clock trial date.
Johnny.
Lucas, Lucas.
All right, I do have officer is here on Johnny Lucas. I believe I've seen Mr. Lucas yet, though.
You have been added to the waiting.
What is your name, sir?
Devin Outley.
Devin
Outley, Outley.
Outley, okay. Your matter is set for trial. We give the officer a half-hour grace period from 9 o'clock to 9:30. If the officer appears, then we'll get you into the breakout room with an attorney. If the officer does not appear, we'll get you out of here. You have valid insurance, sir?
Yes, I do.
All right, give that to the, Mr. Officer Wilson. We'll make a copy of it. Good morning on the telephone. That's you, Mute it, please. I'll mute it for you. And if it's necessary, then we'll ask you to unmute yourself, to press *6, unmute yourself if it's necessary. Mario de Zoom. Mario de Zoom. Buenos dias. They can sit in here if they want. He can sit in here if he wants. Just mute your device. Buenos dias.
Buenos días.
¿Necesitas interpreter?
Yes, please.
¿Cómo se llama usted?
José de Jesús.
Repite.
José de Jesús González.
Jesus Gonzalez.
García, yes.
Garcia. Jose de Jesus Gonzalez Garcia.
Yes, sir.
We need an interpreter. Well, we already know. Okay, I'm gonna start right a minute.
SP 17-862. Judgment. Okay, thank you so much. She said it's gonna be a minute because a lot of the Spanish interpreters.
Who's on the telephone at 313-431-7767?
It's Jalen Green.
That's Jalen Green. Were you signed in on another device?
Yeah, I was earlier. I signed on at like 6:30. And it kept kicking me back off. So
Morning to you. All right, let's go.
Hello.
yes. Yes. Yes.
Let me
Yes.
mute my TV.
Somebody calling me. How do I answer this?
Please mute your phones.
Yes, yes, cousin.
Good morning. The Honorable Judge Sean B. Perkins is presiding. While court is in session, there will be no driving, no inappropriate appearance of any kind, no head wraps unless they represent religious purpose, no eating, drinking, sleeping, white t-shirts, or hoodies. Please take heed to the instructions. Court is in session.
Good morning. All right, good morning, everyone. I'm gonna do the best I can to get you out as fast and efficiently as possible. And I'm gonna try to get you out in the order that you came in. We ready, Ms. Williams-Law?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is this Mr. Boffman, Jalen Green? Where's Mr. Boffman?
I'm sorry, what happened?
All right, that's cut off for officers and formal hearing.
Porque la primera vez que entré era igual que es.
Mr. Green, are you Mr. Boffman's client?
I'm not sure.
City of Detroit versus Jalen Antonio Green, case number SP 176-32831. Appearance for the record, please.
I'm trying to check to see.
Otis Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Green.
Jalen Green.
For purposes of
okay, go ahead. Sorry, Mr.
Purposes of arraignment, but we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
All right, we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Green, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Mr. Green, are you on that? You're on the telephone, correct?
Yes.
Are you on? I'm looking Brandon Green. Okay, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. Again, let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Join the room, we'll pass the matter. Your matter is not set to start till 9. Anybody that's in trial is not set to start till 9. We'll give the officer a half-hour grace period. Both of you, all three of you. Good morning. So live, Delvon live.
I'm ready.
Turn your camera on, sir. That's your son, Lige?
Say again?
Is that your one of your relatives is here? Is that your son, Ms. Lige?
My cousin. That's my cousin. Hey, Devon.
Hey.
State of Michigan versus Delvon Gregory Lige. Case number SX4595656, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning to the staff. May it please this honorable court, Cherika Harris, P72832, on behalf of the defendant. Please state your name.
State your name for the record, Mr. Lige.
Lodge.
There's date and time set for a show cause, Ms. Harris.
Oops, for purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
I'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. I'll get your client a $0 bond. Mr. Lige, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to withdraw. Join the room, let us know what you want to do when you come out with your pass the matter. Good morning. What's your name, sir? Stand up.
He's on the first
I'll
page.
see you. He's on the review. Okay. Let's see if Detroit versus Hussein Obey. Case number ST17338761. Mr. Obey, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please. Good morning. State your name for the record.
I'm not speaking with you.
You want an interpreter? He needs an interpreter.
Yeah.
Name, you don't.
Oh, my name?
Yes.
Hussein Kalam.
All right. There's the date and time set for review. I'm going to dismiss the case. Can you understand that?
Yeah, I understand.
All right.
Thank you so much.
All right. Be safe, Mr. Obey. Have a very good rest of your day.
Judge, is that on the docket?
Yes, on the docket at 8:25.
What's your first message?
Gianni Jones.
Jones.
G. The G. Last name Jones. Had a subpoena. This is for certain matter. This is for certain matter. This is, victim of crime.
Are you on the telephone? Did you call in, Mr. Obey? Are you on the phone too? You can hang up.
Okay.
Ms. Mathis, can I get a docket? I'm not sure. If you sent it, I'm sorry. I don't see it.
Okay.
Hey.
MBE money. MBE money. Can you unmute yourself, start your camera, and state your full name, please?
Daryl Looney.
Daryl Looney. I asked you that last time. You have money? What's MBE? What's MBE stand for?
It's Money Vision Entertainment.
Money Visions Entertainment.
Yes.
Your matter is not set till 9 o'clock. I'm gonna give the officer a half-hour grace period from 9:30 to 9:30. If the officer appears, we'll get you up with an attorney. If the officer does not appear. Sergio Morales Perez, buenos días. Ma'am, for Sergio Morales Perez,
Sí,
does he have a case number?
Ángela López Ramos.
Pardon me? Necesitas interpreter?
¿Cómo dice? Sí.
All right, un momento.
Okay.
Now, let's go back on the record with Mr. Green. Mr. Green, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we seek a trial and the appointment of counsel. Mr. Green's number is in the chat.
Is that what you want to do, Mr. Green?
Yes, sir.
Let's go to two.
Ay, te llamo al rato. Okay.
A lot of stuff.
Yes, 73 returns.
So bad. We have usually. That's fine.
Sometimes you have that 200. I was just trying to keep it.
I just want to make sure we don't get back up again.
Okay.
I'm gonna have you back on December the 19th, 2025, Mr. Green. I'm gonna ask you to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't happen to hear from that appointed attorney by your next court date, then I'm gonna get an attorney appointed to you on the spot. You understand that?
Yes. Yeah, December 19th, what time?
At 8:30. Is this the best number to reach you? Mr. Green, is that the best number to reach you that you're calling on now?
Yes.
All right, come back on December 19th. If there's nothing further, sir, I'll see you before the holiday. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
All right, you too. Thank you.
Thank you. City of Detroit versus Andrea Yvette LaRock. Case number is SP 1556913. Counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1795759. Counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. LaRock.
Mute yourself now. Ms. LaRock, I'm gonna pass you up.
Can you hear me?
I can hear you. State your name for the record, please.
Andrea Yvette LaRock.
All right, today is the date and time set for a arraignment on the bench warrant. Go ahead, Counselor.
Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
And we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. I'm gonna put you in a breakout. Mr. LaRock, Mr. Perry, he's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please. Pass the matter. Officer Law, do you want to speak to Counselor for Giannetti, or do you want to wait on the city attorney? Good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor. I can speak to counsel.
All right. Is Officer C. Allen here? C. Allen.
Judge, this is Officer Lloyd Brandon Isaiah. He's dismissing the recollection.
Lloyd Brandon
Isaiah, Officer Desi.
Is Brandon Lloyd here?
Yes.
All right. This is the city of Detroit versus Brandon Isaiah Lloyd, case number SP 1753586, counts 1 and counts 2. Mr. Lloyd, can you state your name for the record, please?
Brandon Lloyd.
All right, is Officer Destin, are you still here? All right, case dismissed, sir. No recollection. Further, have a very good day. Safe and happy holiday season. Best of luck to you.
I can't hear you, sir.
I said case dismissed, sir. The officer had no recollection. Have a very good, safe and happy holiday season, all right?
Okay.
Are we ready on Gianetti?
Your Honor, I am ready, yes.
City of Detroit versus Taylor Joseph Gianetti. Case numbers SP 1796378, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, Rami Hijazi, P82830 on behalf of Taylor Joseph Gianetti. Your Honor, I would request the waiver of his presence. This is a civil infraction. I have authority to move forward on his behalf.
He's here. Mr. Gianetti, you want to state your name for the record, please?
My first name's Taylor Joseph, last name Gianetti.
Very well. Good morning to you. Officer Law, good morning to you. Can you state your name, badge, number, department for the record, please?
Good morning, Your Honor. Officer Kalen Law, badge number 2560, Detroit Police.
Very good. Good morning to you. What's the resolution, if any?
Your Honor, at this time, the officer has authorized, and I would accept on my client's behalf, one count of blockading traffic with a dismissal of count 2 and 3.
Very well. You want to take the deal, Mr. Gianetti?
Does that have points on my record?
No,
And
sir.
then I would gladly take that plea.
All right. Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an active factual basis for that responsible plea on your client's behalf.
Yes, Your Honor. So
Stipulate
stipulated.
cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
Yes, Your Honor. So stipulated.
I'm going to find your client responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic, $175. Mr. Gianetti, when can you pay it?
Could I pay that by tomorrow?
Yes, pay it by tomorrow.
Yes.
December the 5th. You pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload to DivDat app to your phone. or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it, sir. If there's
So
nothing further, safe, happy holiday season. And you have another question?
I could pay this on the phone via website.
Pay it on the phone as well. I mean, there's other ways you pay it. I'll just give you the two best ways to pay it. If there's
Awesome.
nothing further, I wish you
Nothing
a safe
further. Thank you.
holiday season and best of luck to you all.
Thank
Thank you,
Officer-
Your Honor.
All right. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Lige. Mr. Lige, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, there is an offer, and it's an offer for blockading, but I wanted to confirm with the court that he has a valid license.
Run Mr. Lige's license, please. Is Latasha Lanier here? Valid.
Yes, it's valid.
License is valid. You want to take the deal, sir, blocking traffic, $175. We will not abstract to the Secretary of State, therefore it won't carry any points.
Yes.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an act of factual basis for the responsible fee on the client's behalf.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Those stipulations, sir, I'm going to find you responsible as to the amended count of blocking traffic, $175. When can you pay it? Pardon me?
On the 12th.
On the 12th?
Yeah.
Pay it by the 12th, pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it, Mr. Lige. If there's nothing further, safe, happy holiday season, and best of luck to you.
Thank you.
Okay. This is the city of Detroit versus Antonio Oliver. Case number SP 161-53022. Mr. Oliver, good morning to you. Appearance for record, please.
Antonio Oliver.
Sherika Harris on behalf of Mr. Oliver.
All right. Purposes of arraignment on the show cause.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
All right, yeah, and they're not guilty plea on the client's behalf, give the client a $0 bond. Mr. Oliver, you are here because you did not pay. Where's Mr. Oliver?
I'm right here.
So why did you get so quiet?
Oh.
It's entered into the system wrong too. When
I
are you gonna
haven't
pay?
been I'm sorry. I haven't been able to pay because I had stopped working and I haven't really had no way to really have to pay it. I'm not currently working right now. So I'm really trying to, but it's really hard right now.
Why aren't you working?
I had to quit working due to the weather right now because I don't have no ride to keep going to work. So I recently just had to quit my job.
What?
Your Honor, will the court consider community service, please?
No, what? What did you say to me? You quit because of the what?
The weather right now, I haven't had no way to work, and it's the weather right now. I haven't been able to get there because my job is it's in Dearborn, and I don't stay near Dearborn, and I don't have no route to get there. And due to the weather, I haven't. No, not really. I haven't thought about catching a bus.
you need a mentor. Somebody needs to talk to you. You quit your job because of the weather.
Yes.
You know how that sounds?
I know, but I really
But
am.
what? But what? You sound
Mr.
crazy.
Oliver, do you have medical concerns that possibly the weather would affect you?
Yes, I recently been in the
You don't have
hospital.
to. You don't have to disclose it. I
Okay.
just trying to help.
Where are you now, sir?
I'm sorry, say that again.
Where are you now?
I'm at home right now.
And that's your room, huh?
Yes.
He's got all these lights and stuff like that. I bet he's got all kind of gaming equipment. Do you have all that kind of stuff too?
Yes.
But he can't get to work because it's cold outside. And he's never caught the bus before.
In your honor, I would ask if the court will extend a little grace to Mr. Oliver. There could be a variety of reasons as to why the weather could affect him. And in terms of him not ever catching the bus before, it is an experience that you have to kind of know what you're doing before you jump on a bus. So I would ask the court to extend him a little bit of grace. And if community service is an option, possibly he could.
That doesn't help him.
It doesn't help him? Okay, I try. Because if you don't know how to catch the bus, Your Honor, you just don't.
And you get out there and you catch it. They got bus schedules. They have all of that stuff. This is about, I've given him, this is not the first review he's had. What is the first review? The trial was on July 31st. Review 11/2/25. So this is not the first review he's had. And it was another review, 9/2/2025. This goes back months.
And Your Honor, I would ask for an opportunity to speak with him in a breakout room because seemingly there may be more going on than what the court is aware of.
I don't think it's, well, I don't know, but I doubt it. But please do. He already indicated why he didn't pay. And we go speak to Ms. Harris in the breakout room.
Okay.
He needs the farm program or something to help him out. Join the room, please. Let's pass the matter. Mr. Berry, do you have anyone?
Yes, Your Honor. I have Ms. LaRock.
Maybe I should have had you talk to him. Let's go back on the record, Miss LaRock. Miss LaRock, I'm giving you an opportunity.
Yes, I'm sorry. I don't know how to work this Zoom.
All right, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, we seek a bench trial date so that you might return with documents.
Now, what you want to do, Ms. LaRock?
Yeah.
Come back on January the 5th, 2026 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, Ms. LaRock, you have a very good rest of your day. Safe, not the holiday season. And best of
One
luck
other
to you.
question. Would this be on Zoom or in person?
It's like Burger King, man. You have it your way.
Oh, I'm asking because I'm not for sure.
You have it your way. You can come in person or you can stay on Zoom.
Okay, that's fine. Zoom is fine.
Okay, have a great day now.
Thank you.
City of Detroit versus Janelle Irene Lies, case number SP 122-31961. Please. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Lige.
Janelle Lige.
For purposes of arraignment, Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
And we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Lige, let's see what this license is. I'm gonna dismiss the case, Ms. Lige, for having valid documentation. I wish you a safe and happy holiday season and best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you, and happy holidays to you too.
Thank you.
Will I receive some in the mail?
No, you won't. You can look on the 36th District Court website at the ROA, and you can get the information off of there if you need it.
Okay, thank you.
All right. Have a great day.
Bye.
Is Timothy O'Neill here?
Here.
All right, let's see. Is there an officer here for Timothy O'Neill?
Yes, sir. Officer Barnes.
You need to turn your camera on, Officer Barnes. Good morning to you. Oh, that's Whitey. So we have to wait on Attorney Whitey to come in. Call Attorney Whitey, please. All right, give me a minute, Mr. O'Neill. We gotta wait on your attorney.
Okay.
Officer Burns goes together with O'Neill. Lorenzo Lanier.
What's his client name, Judge?
Yes, Your Honor.
Timothy O'Neill.
Timothy O'Neill, thank
Good morning to you, sir.
Good morning.
This is the City of Detroit versus Lorenzo O'Neill, case number
Lorenzo Lanier?
Lorenzo Lanier?
Yes.
Did I get that? Okay, I have three matters here. City of Detroit versus Lorenzo Lanier, case number U45846318, 18276779, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearing for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry, Jr., on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Lanier.
Lorenzo Lanier.
For purposes of arraignment, Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Lanier, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay.
Join the room. Let's pass the matter.
Okay.
Attorney Noonan, are you ready on your client?
Good morning, Your Honor. I want to see if the officer had checked in on this matter.
Who's the defendant? Good morning to you.
Ibrahim, last name's Omar.
Yes, he's here. Do you want Officer Del Bosque? Good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
All right, do you want to wait on the city attorney, or you want to speak to counsel? You want to speak to counsel?
I can speak with the counsel. Yeah, that's fine.
I'm going to put you both in breakout room 7. See if you
Thank
can
you.
work it out.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Good morning to you, Mr. Sherrill.
Good morning, Judge.
Who's your client?
I have a trial on Dwayne Lowry and a
Dwayne
trial.
Lowry is here.
Yes.
I believe the officer appeared as well.
Okay, that's good. And then Robert Lane, who should be here too.
Is Officer Isaac Clark here? I may have misspoken. I don't know. Yeah.
Yes, Your Honor.
Good morning to you. All right, Mr. And then Lane?
Yes, Robert Lane.
Is Robert Lane here?
Yes, I'm here, Your Honor.
Okay, he's here as well. I don't know, officer. Good morning to you, Mr.
Will
Lane.
Johnson.
Johnson, Will Johnson, Officer Johnson is here. Don't know if Officer Johnson is here.
I have a sentencing. I'll be back in like 15 minutes and then we'll take care of these and be knocked out.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Oliver. Mr. Oliver, did you have a good conversation with Ms. Harris?
Yes,
Do you understand where the court is coming from, sir?
yes.
How old are you?
I'm 20.
Can't believe you've never caught the bus before. Is that what have you ever caught the bus before?
No,
Never in your life.
never.
How did you get around?
Usually my mom would take me somewhere, or I had a bike rounding around.
Well, you know, you're grown now, sir.
Yes.
What does your client want to do, Miss Harris?
Your Honor, I did explain to him that it would either be community service or he needed to be prepared to tell the court how long he needed to pay. So, Mr. Oliver, what is
Or
your
you can do
decision?
some jail time and close it up like that. That's always an option. I bet he'd rather ride the bus than go to jail. They don't have any video games in there. What do you want to do, Mr. Oliver?
I was hoping that I can do community service for it.
All right. All right, I need a good phone number from you, sir, please.
313-989-2195.
Is that your cell phone number?
No, that's my mother's.
Do you have a cell phone?
Yes, but it's not on.
Because you don't work, huh? At least your mom's not paying that bill. Well, you're gonna have to answer the calls and have her answer the calls she doesn't recognize. I'm gonna refer this to community service.
Yes, I'll let her know.
And I'm gonna give you the number to community service as well. That number is whenever you have an ink pen.
One second. All right, I'm ready.
All right. 313-965-8130. Now, you shouldn't have to call them. They should call you. But if you don't hear from them in a week or so, then you need to get back in touch with the court or call and start making some phone calls. So we can get community service to contact you.
Okay.
12 hours of community.
Can you repeat that number for me?
313-965-8130.
Okay.
Now, do you have a high school diploma, sir?
No.
How far have you gone in high school?
I'm sorry, say that again.
How far have you gone in high school?
Oh wait, I graduated, my bad.
You do have a high school diploma?
Yes, I'm sorry.
What high school did you graduate from?
O'Reffer Academy High School.
You gotta do better, Mr. Oliver. You're grown now. And telling somebody you're quitting a job because it's cold outside, it's not gonna cut it.
I understand.
Hopefully you find somebody here at the community service that you can that can be a mentor from you, and you can make some relationships out of that and maybe get a job. But just because it's cold outside is not an excuse to not be working, all right?
Yes.
All right, come back on January the 5th. January the 5th at 8:25 a.m. If you don't hear from the community service coordinator before in about a week or so, give us a call or Zoom back in so we can get you in touch with them so you can get these hours complete. If you don't have any further questions, sir, I wish you a safe and happy holiday season and best of luck to you.
Okay, you too.
Thank you. Okay, Ms. Harris, Najee Graves. Good morning to you, Ms. Graves. Are you there? Naja? What happened to Ms. Graves? I believe we lost her. That gets me down to James Lloyd. *6 to unmute yourself, please. We have James Arthur Lloyd. Where's James Arthur Lloyd? What happened to all the defendants? All right, Mr. Lloyd, you're gonna have to press *6 to unmute yourself.
Yes, Your Honor. James Lloyd speaking.
All right, good morning to you.
Good morning, sir.
City of Detroit versus James Arthur Lloyd. Case numbers SP 1803766, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of Mr. Lloyd, please state your name for the record.
Yes, James Arthur Lloyd.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
I will enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Lloyd, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is this the best phone number to reach you, Mr. Lloyd, that you're calling on now?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Your Honor, was there ever a request for appointed counsel?
No, there was not. Well, I'll put you in a breakout room and talk to Ms. Harris. He's in there, Ms. Harris.
Yes.
Let's pass the matter. All right, are we ready on Omar Ibrahim? City of Detroit versus Gerald LaFleur. Case number U7138465. Appearance for the record, please. Mr. Baughman, had your hand raised. Am I not, what is it? Am I not being heard?
You're being heard.
All right. Let's pass the matter. All right.
Ready on Michael Layton. It's an 8:30 case.
Michael Layton. City of Detroit versus Micah Robert Layton. I strike that. It's the state of Michigan versus Micah Robert Layton. Case number SX460-42291. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Attorney Nicholas Sombring on behalf of Micah Layton.
All right. For purposes of your client's presence, counselor, is your you retained?
I am retained, Your Honor. I have authority to negotiate on his behalf, and I do waive his presence.
Well, I have to waive his presence, but I'll grant them.
We asked. Yes, I meant to ask, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right. Is there an Officer Williams or Officer Light? Officer Williams or Officer Light? Let me go through my list. Did you put your P number on the record, counselor?
No, I did not. My P number is 80416.
Officer Williams. I do not see an Officer Williams or Officer Light on mine. And there's no officer is responding. You want to make a motion, counselor?
Yes, thank you, Your Honor. If the people are unable to proceed, we respectfully ask this court to dismiss this case.
Okay, case dismissed. Have a safe, happy holiday season. If I don't see you, and best of luck to you.
Thank you. Was there a bond posted in this case for the default?
I don't know. I
You
don't
know?
think so.
Okay.
I don't think so.
Got it.
All right.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Great day. All right. Are we ready, Mr. Barry, on anyone?
Ready, Mr. Lanier, Your Honor.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Lanier. Mr. Lanier, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, per the prosecutor, these matters are to be dismissed.
Case dismissed, Mr. Lanier. I'm waiting warrant fee. You'll pay any and all reinstatement fees. If you don't have anything further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Have a safe and happy holiday season, all right?
Okay, thank you. Same to you.
Your Honor, is Mr. Blancas in a breakout room or is he in a waiting room?
Mr. Blancas, he's here, and Miss Cox is here. Are we ready on Blancas?
No, I need to speak to him in a breakout room. I was just, okay, yes.
All right. Good morning to you, Miss Cox. I'm gonna put Miss Cox in the breakout room with you and Blancas.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Breakout room 8, please.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Mr. Barry, Mr. Dorothea Grove, are you there?
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning to you. All right. City of Detroit, Mr. Barry versus Dorothea Grove. Case number SB 179-54591, SB 179-5568, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Grove.
Dorothea Grove.
I run her license. Good morning. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. Ms. Grove, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Barry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Thank you.
Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, Mr. Barry. You can hold on. I'm going to see if the license is valid. It's not valid, Mr. Barry. You can join the room. Let's pass the matter. Mr. Baldwin, are you ready?
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you. We're ready on Gerald LaFleur, please.
So City of Detroit versus, again, Gerald LaFleur, case number U713-84625. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Boffman, P55052, on behalf of the defendant. Would you, sir, give the court your full and complete name?
Gerald LaFleur.
Thank you. We're continuing not guilty plea. My client is willing to waive his right to a jury trial here and now and respectfully requests a bench trial date by Zoom.
Okay, Mr. LaFleur, your trial date is going to be January the 5th, 2026 at 9 a.m. If you don't have anything further, I wish you a safe and happy holiday season, sir, and best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you, and as well to you, and regards to you and your family from Miss Pearl Walker as well.
All right, thank you so much.
Have a good one, Your Honor.
Be safe.
Your Honor, can I just confirm you said January 5?
5,
Okay,
yes.
but understood. Your Honor, I do have another case that I would hope you would call Carolina Guzman Vasquez.
Mr. Whitey, good morning to you. Did he go to 5? Where did Mr. Whitey?
Good morning.
Good morning to you. Your client, Timothy O'Neill, is here. The city attorney is here. I'm going to put Mr. O'Neill in breakout room 7.
Okay, fair enough. Is the city attorney in breakout room 2?
Officer Spidell is on the sick list.
Okay. I have Officer Barnes for this.
I'm gonna dismiss. I'm gonna dismiss. And then nobody let Ms. Guzman know. And Barnes is here as well.
Okay, yeah, I'll need to speak to the prosecutor.
O'Neill, go to 7, and Mr. Whitey will be in there to speak with you. The city attorney is in 4.
All righty, thank you.
He had 3 counts, counts 1, 2, and count 2 got set for you, which should be set for him, and the rest of them got dismissed with no officer.
And then were they all on the same team?
Yes.
So the officer was not here on that day?
Correct.
So then dismiss.
All right, thank you.
City of Detroit and the state of Michigan versus Carolyn Guzman Vasquez. Case number SP 178-34981, SP 178-35011, and SX 4528379, counts 1 and counts 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Boffman on behalf of the defendant. Your Honor, I'm asking you to waive her presence at this time. The court is aware that my client did come in on Zoom and was with me for a short period of time in the breakout room. Unfortunately, Judge, I did receive a message from her. She's there's been a tragic death in her family, causing her to have to remove herself from this Zoom meeting. Would you waive her right to be here and be present, Your Honor, please, and set this matter for a bench trial by Zoom, please?
Based on that, I will waive the presence. She was here.
Judge, to make the record, her brother's been killed.
Oh my God. While on Zoom, Chief just found that out?
Yes, this morning.
All right, so Corporal Spidell did call in he's on the sick list at least. I'm gonna still dismiss the case because Ms. Guzman was not made aware of that. So she came in and he has recourse to refile on his matters. On the state matters, is Coleman Martin here? Is there a Coleman Martin? Officer Coleman Martin?
So I make a similar motion to dismiss without prejudice, please.
$0 copays on hundreds of prescriptions.
I don't see Officer Martin on my list. And I'll grant that motion to dismiss as well. Talk to Ms. Guzman, tell her we're sympathized with her, and
on behalf of the defendant, I thank you for your kindness and your courtesy.
And we'll be praying for her. Okay, all right, we say, is that all you have, Mr. Baughman?
That's everything for at this time, Judge. I do have a client who's having some connection issues, Miss Paya Goodman. We're gonna get her here as soon as possible.
Okay, very well. All right, let's go back. Let's call this back on the record with Ms. Dorothea Grove. Ms. Grove, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client will accept and wants to avail herself of the people's offer to allow her to enter a plea to failure to display for a license ticket and blocking traffic for the failure to stop at a stop sign, the insurance matter to be dismissed.
You want to take the deal, ma'am?
I do, Your Honor.
You've got a television on. You have to turn your television off or mute it, please. Can you raise your right hand, Ms. Grove, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
You can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fine?
I do.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
I do.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
He did.
And you understood those rights?
I did.
You have any questions about those rights?
I do not.
And do you know by taking this deal, you're going to give those rights up?
I do.
And has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, sir.
Let me draw your attention back to September the 24th, 2025, around 9:01 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of McGraw and 14th Street. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
I did.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
I was.
Did the officer asked you to produce a valid driver's license?
He did.
You could not do so, could you, ma'am?
I could not.
And the simple answer to that, why?
I think I only have 2 tickets left. I've been working on getting my license back. But
you were doing very, very, very good up until now, ma'am.
Yeah, I only have 2 left, and I was running late to get my son from work. Yep, I was running late to get my son from work. My daughter's in the hospital. I haven't been driving at all. My daughter was in the hospital. So I ran.
The simple answer, Ms. Grove, you don't have a valid license, right?
I do not. I do not.
All right. Find your client guilty as to the admitted count of failure to display. $240 will be the fine. Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for that responsible plea for running the stop sign. Stipulate to probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
Yes, Your Honor, so stipulated.
find your client responsible as to the amended count of blocking traffic for the failure to stop at a stop sign. I'm not gonna fine you for that, ma'am. It's just gonna be $240. We're gonna, when can you pay it?
Let's do the 16th, December 16th.
December the 16th. I'm gonna give you until December the 19th to make sure you get it in here.
Okay.
And at any kiosk in the city of Detroit, I'm told you can upload the div that app to your phone, or you can come on down to the house and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. Ma'am, we're gonna be praying for your daughters. I hope your daughter's back healthy now.
The weather changed with this sickle cell thing. She's in every other week, and she's staying. This day is 10 days, so now she's sitting there now. So yeah, I accept your prayers. I thank you.
We will, and you all have a safe and happy holiday season. Best of luck to you both.
You do the same. Thank you so much, Your Honor. You have a good holiday.
Thank you.
Your Honor, if I could just speak quickly, I don't mean to interrupt. I have to be in Troy in person. Attorney Ryan Hill is going to log on to handle the Gibson and Blancas matters.
All right, well, you did mean to interrupt, but yeah, you can do that, Attorney Fox.
I apologize, Judge, but thank you very much.
I don't mean to interrupt, but they interrupt. All right, be safe, have a safe, happy holiday season if I don't see you.
Thank you too, Judge.
All right. Is that Mr. Berry? Mr. Berry, this is gonna be the city of Detroit versus Naja Simone Graves. Case numbers SP 1752781 counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1807928 counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Graves.
Naja Simone Graves.
All right, today is the date and time set for, it's a rain on the bench warrant on at least the charges. The other two charges, I don't believe have made the docket, but we'll hear them all today. For the purposes of arraignment, Counselor.
Your Honor, we would stand mute. We would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
And we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Graves has, I don't have an issue with allowing her to be heard. If the city has no objection to set the default aside, with this disregard officer signal, the first disregard officer signal ticket, there was a defective equipment ticket issued. Then there's another disorderly conduct and another disobeying officer signal ticket. So I counted 4 matters into the record. Ms. Graves has some civil infractions she never paid too, but those are going to be on her. Ms. Graves, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, all right?
Okay.
So, Your Honor, there are 2 disregarding an officer signal and a disregard.
Disorderly conduct and a defective equipment.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Let's pass the matter. Ms. Harris, are we ready on Lloyd?
Yes, Your Honor, but it would not give me an option to pull him out. If the court could assist, I would appreciate it.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. James Lloyd. Mr. Lloyd, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my understanding is that Mr. Lloyd wishes to enter a plea and is against my advisement just based on our conversations, but that is his decision to move forward with the plea to the amended count of open alcohol passenger.
You want to take the deal, sir?
Yes.
All right. You raise your right hand, please.
Yes, sir.
Is your hand raised?
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you understand that there's gonna be 2 points on your driving record for this offense, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial.
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Harris went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, didn't she not? Did Ms. Harris go over your
Yes,
other advice and rights, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
You understood those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
Have any questions about those rights?
No, Your Honor.
You know, by taking this deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes, Your Honor.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, Your Honor.
Well, let me draw your attention back to September 28, 2025, around 9:26 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Gratiot and Glenfield. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you in a motor vehicle, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you have some alcohol in that motor vehicle?
No, Your Honor. Not up to my recollection, no.
Okay, well, there goes you don't have to be upset anymore, Ms. Harris, because you're gonna have to take a trial date. He indicated to the court that he does not have any alcohol in that motor vehicle. You can't be found guilty, and you should not have been charged with open alcohol in a motor vehicle if you did not in fact have any alcohol in that motor vehicle. Do you want us to assign you an attorney, sir?
No, Your Honor.
I come back on January the 5th, 2026 at 9 a.m. If you don't have
Matter of
anything
fact,
further,
Your-
no, it's no matter of
Matter of
fact.
fact, Your Honor, yes.
No, it's no matter of fact, sir. It's already, the ship has sailed, sir.
Your Honor, I just want to clarify, is he saying yes, that he would like for you to have an attorney appointed?
Oh,
yes.
You want the attorney, sir?
Yes.
We can do that. All right. I'm gonna set a pre-trial date for December the 19th. Come back on December the 19th. I'm gonna ask you to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by December 19th, we'll get one appointed to you on the spot, okay, sir?
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
You too.
Is that Andrew Leone? Is that an attorney?
Yes, Judge. I am, Judge. For some reason, my name didn't appear.
What is your
I'm here for
that's
the traffic. Thank you.
Who's your client?
Apologize, Judge. Gaetano, Gaetano. Thank you.
Brandon Green here.
Yes, Your Honor.
Good morning to you.
Good morning.
Was your matter set for trial? Where's Brandon?
Pre-trial.
Pre-trial?
Yes, sir.
Oh, Brandon Michael Green.
Yes.
Morning to you.
Morning.
Ms. Harris, this is the city of Detroit versus Brandon Michael Green. Case number SP 1803911. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of Mr. Green, please state your name for the record.
Brandon Michael Green.
Okay, Mr. Green, today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. Ms. Harris, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Green. He's gonna attempt to get you, she's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you do not like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Understood. Thank you.
All right. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. Let's pass the matter. Let's call the city of Detroit versus Richard Andrew Gaetano, case, strike that, State of Michigan versus Richard Andrew Gaetano Jr. Case number SX 461430001. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Andrew Leone, P 45513, on behalf and with authority on behalf of Mr. Gaetano.
All right, and you have retained counsel.
I am, Judge.
You're requesting the waiver of his presence, is that correct?
I am. Thank you, Judge.
I'll grant the motion to waive his presence. Is there a trooper, Henry Anderson? Trooper Henry Anderson. I don't hear Trooper Anderson has not responded. Looking at my list, I do not see that Trooper Anderson has appeared. You want to make a motion, Counselor?
Respectfully, Judge, I'd request a dismissal in this matter pursuant to Your Honor's review.
Very well, Counselor. Case dismissed. There's nothing further, Counselor. If you would have put attorney by there or anything, I would have gotten to you a little bit sooner. There's nothing further. Have a safe, happy holiday season. And
My apologies. You also, Judge. Thank you very much.
What happened to Omar Ibrahim? What happened to Noonan on Omar Ibrahim? What happened to Shay Walker? All right, we're gonna wait then. Attorney Lacy, who is
Your Honor, I'm ready. He's with me. Aran, please come here. Aran Jesus Leon, who is right here with me, Your Honor.
He needs an interpreter?
No. He's born in the United States.
Very well.
Fully English speaker. So I would like to bring one issue up to the court.
Let me make a record. Let me get it on the record.
Okay, yes.
City of Detroit versus we need the probation department. We need the probation.
Probation department
For Leon. Give me a second, Counselor.
No problem, Judge.
Zoom user.
I mean, this is Lamar Lockhart, my bad.
Who is that?
Lamar Lockhart, I'm sorry about that.
Lamar Lockhart?
Yes, my phone had died.
Ms. Cox, good morning to you. Can you find out who Sergio Morales Perez?
Yes, Your Honor. Por favor, el señor que dice el nombre Sergio Morales Pérez, ¿puede contestar? Señor Sergio. Señor, ok, Sergio, prenda su micrófono, por favor. Sergio Morales Pérez, ¿cuál es su nombre?
Ángela López Ramos.
So her name is Angela Lopez Ramos.
All right, good morning to you. I see. All right, we're gonna get yours going, as soon as we can, Ms. Cox.
Señora Morales Pérez, dice el juez que tenemos que esperar. Yo soy la intérprete, estoy aquí para ayudarla a usted y a otra persona que está aquí también.
Ok, gracias. Gracias.
Okay, thank you.
All right, are we ready on Timothy O'Neill?
Yes, Judge, we are. It's a dismissal.
In person.
City of Detroit versus Timothy O'Neill. Case number is SP 178555761. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Dennis White, 79560 on behalf of Timothy O'Neill, who appears by way of Zoom.
All right, good morning to you, Officer. Mr. O'Neill, state your name for the record, please.
Timothy O'Neill.
All right, good morning to you. Officer Barnes, are you still here? All right, Officer Barnes was here for this. You resolved it by way of dismissal?
That is correct, Your Honor. I spoke to Ms. Horn. She advised it would be dismissed for no recollection. I believe she dismissed the officer or the officers in the breakout room, but she recommended dismissal and we'd ask you to adopt it.
All right, case dismissed, Mr. O'Neill. If there's nothing further, have a safe, happy holiday season. Best of luck to you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, Gullop, are you there?
Yes, Judge, I'm here.
Good morning to you, ma'am.
Good morning to you as well.
Give me the correct pronunciation of your first name, please.
Tahitian.
This is the City of Detroit versus Tunisian.
Tahitian.
Tahitian Sahara Gullah. Case number. Say that again.
It's Sierra.
Sierra, I'm sorry, ma'am. City of Detroit versus Tahitian Sierra Gullah. Is that correct?
It's Tahitian Sierra Galap.
Galap. All right, I'm messing up all the way. I apologize, ma'am. Case number SP 1792388, counts 1 and counts 2. State your name for the record. I have the file. I just don't see that.
Tahitian Sierra Galap.
All right. Today is the date and time set for a trial. Officer Stewart, Dimitri Stewart. I have not seen that officer.
Robert Lane and Dwayne Lowry.
On the court's own motion, I'm going to dismiss the case for no officer. If there's nothing further, Ms. Galap, you have a very safe and happy holiday season and best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you, Judge. I appreciate it.
You're welcome. All right, Mr. Ryan Hill.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Morning. Did you work this out for Mr. Gibson?
I have two matters. Camarina Brandon and Mr. Gibson. It has not been worked out, Judge, but what I was going to ask is, it's the same issue, same date, same time, same officer. I'm asking the court to adjourn Mr. Gibson's, set Mr. Camarinas for a trial date, but this has collateral consequences. There was a case in Frank Murphy, so I'd like to set it for an in-person trial.
Before you go on to all of that.
Sure.
I don't know that Officer Allen has showed.
Oh, okay. It should be Sergeant Rios, but
I have Camaria Blancas. Okay, that's the wrong file. Okay, Sergeant Rios is.
Good morning, Judge. If the people may, Your Honor, good morning, and good morning, Mr. Hill. I've spoken with Sergeant Rios. It's my understanding he wishes to dismiss because they are now vending out of a licensed food truck.
City of Detroit versus Eric Charles Gibson II, case number SP 178-50931. Appearance for the record, please.
Tamika Horn on behalf of the City of Detroit, P70303, Your Honor. Good morning.
Ryan Hill. Good morning, Your Honor. Ryan Hill, P68445 on behalf of the defendant.
All right. And Sergeant Rios, are you there?
I believe Sergeant Rios has left on another detail. However, after speaking with Sergeant Rios, the people are willing to dismiss. I believe the defendant is now operating out of a licensed food truck.
All right. Is that your food truck, Mr. Gibson?
Actually, we're leasing it, sir.
I mean, are you the chef or what?
Judge, if I may, and I apologize.
I just wanted to find out if you had any good food.
Oh, he's got great food, Judge.
Yeah,
great food. It was actually,
I didn't need the high-dollar attorney to waste any words on that. I was trying to give him a plug.
Yeah.
What type of food is on the truck?
Well, it's dopey fire hot dogs. We have a bacon wrap hot dog that come with ketchup, mustard, mayo, and hot Cheeto dust and onions if you like it.
Bacon. Look at Miss Mathis. She's already ready to come. And where do you operate this food truck?
It's served on a restaurant style hot dog bun also.
Where are you located?
1545 Springwell Street, Detroit, Michigan, 48209. 1545 Springwell Street, Detroit, Michigan, 48209.
There you go.
All right. Well, you know where to get a bacon wrap hot dog. He says it's good, so I'm sure I like bacon and hot dogs, so I might come check you out. I know Miss Mathis is too, and I know Officer Wilson is.
Well, hot dog, not the bacon, not the bacon.
Not the bacon. You might want to try.
You can get it without bacon also. You can get it without it also. It just it's called the famous dopey dog. That's what it is.
All right. Case dismissed, sir. Safe, happy holiday season, and best of luck to you on the food truck.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Judge.
Okay. Thank you, Your Honor.
Same thing.
Judge, this is Attorney Watsky. Could you put Mr. Lucas and I in a breakout room?
Lucas.
Yeah, Johnny Lucas.
It's the same thing for Camarina?
I'm assuming.
This meeting is being live streamed.
Yeah, it is.
That's bold as hell.
Please mute
You
your
gotta mute
device.
yourself. You gotta mute.
Now we're about to get into. Let's see, Lucas.
How many?
Lucas, go to breakout room 6. Good morning to you. 6. All right. And Miss Horn, good morning to you. I mean, strike that. Miss Cox, good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Can you state your name for the record, please?
Maria Cox, MARRACOX.
And can you raise your right hand, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm that you will truly, accurately, and impartially interpret in a matter now before the court not divulge confidential communication, so help you God?
I do.
Do you swear or affirm that to the best of your ability, you'll interpret from English to Spanish and Spanish to English?
I do.
All right, very well. This is the city of Detroit versus Brandon Camarena Blancas, case number SP 178-62591. Appearance for the record, please.
Este es el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra Brandon Camarena Blancas, SP 17862591. Por favor, preséntense para las escrituras.
Hola, soy
Hello,
Brandon.
I am Brandon.
Ryan Hill, on behalf of the defendant.
El abogado de apellido Hill representando al acusado.
Okay.
Judge, I assume Ms. Horn was going to dismiss this as well, the same date, time, same sergeant, same everything.
Estaba preguntando si la abogada fiscal también va a anular este cargo, a desestimar, porque es en la misma fecha, la misma hora, es el mismo cargo. ¿También va a anular este cargo?
All right, I'll dismiss the case. We'll provide valid documentation. If there's nothing further, have a very good day.
Entonces voy a anular este cargo por la misma que han presentado los documentos adecuados. Si no tienen más nada, que tengan buen día.
Yo sí.
Your Honor, I think Mr. Camarena raised his hands for a question.
No.
Diga,
No,
señor
no.
Camarena.
Tell him to call me through Mr. Gibson. It's being dismissed.
Por favor, que llame en lugar de preguntarle al juez, que llame al abogado a través del señor Gibson, porque están anulando el cargo.
Yo solo quería tener una pregunta sobre mi esposa, que es el mismo cargo, la misma fecha y el mismo...
I just have a question about my wife who had the ticket on the same day, same charger, same offense, about my wife.
Okay, sorry. I thought he was going to say something that was incriminating, Judge. What's your wife's name?
¿Cómo se llama su esposa?
Brenda García.
Brenda Garcia, it's her name.
Do you want me to email the court, Your Honor? Just not to...
I'm gonna see. That's on Brenda Naomi Garcia. That's on December the 15th. You can talk to Ms. Horn about it.
Eso es el 15 de diciembre para la señora Brenda Noemí García. Puede hablar con el abogado fiscal Horn sobre eso.
I will do so, Judge.
Así voy a hacer, su honoría.
All right, Mr. Blancos, you have a very good day. Your attorney's going to look into your wife's matter.
Que tenga buen día, señor Camarena. El abogado va a tratar de resolver el caso contra su esposa.
Okay, muchas gracias.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you, Judge.
Gracias, señor juez.
All right, give me one more minute, and so I'll get the other individual in a second. This is the city of Detroit versus Ariane de Jesus Leon. Aran de Jesus Leon, case number SP 177874451, SP 1779302, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 177793971, and Z8098541. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. May it please this honorable court, Michael Lacey on behalf of Aran Jesus de Leon, who is seated to my right, Your Honor.
All right, good morning to you and Mr. Leon. Good morning. State your name for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. My name is Aaron Leon.
Leon?
Leon.
Leon. All right, good morning to you. Officer Johnson, good morning to you. Can you state your name for the record, please?
Yes, Your Honor. Good morning. Probation Officer Alita, Y-A-L-Y-T-A Johnson on behalf of 36th District Court Probation.
Okay, good morning to you. Can you give us an update on what's going on with Mr. Leon?
Yes, I can, Your Honor. So Mr. Leon, I had spoke with him on November the 14th to begin testing at Affordable Testing Center on November the 17th. Mr. Leon did go down to the Samaritan Center where Affordable Testing Center is located, but the front desk sent him to the wrong location. So I spoke to Mr. Leon back on November the 17th when I received notification stating that he did not test. He did in fact test on December the 1st. That test was negative for all substances, Your Honor. So the first test he was supposed to test was November the 14th. He failed to report, like I said, because he stated that when he went in, they gave him the wrong floor. And then the next test that he went was December the 1st, and that one was negative.
There's only been 2 tests in that time?
Technically, it has only been 1 test because he just went on December the 1st when I contacted him back and physically spoke with him. So he tested on the 1st.
Very good. Okay. Well, what does your client want to do, Counselor?
So, Your Honor, I spoke with the city attorney and she informed me that I should ask you for a final pretrial sometime in January because she's thinking about a possible plea resolution. And so hopefully she'll have an offer up to us because she said she.
Somebody's interrupting. Bloomberg, that's you. All right. The last pretrial date will be December the 5th. I mean, January the 5th, 2026 at 8:30. Nothing further. All bond. Go ahead.
There was that one issue I wanted to bring up, Your Honor. So he presented me with a notice from the court regarding an arraignment for tomorrow at 1:30 p.m. in front of yourself. But I believe that's a mistake because it looks like it's the same case. And I think that's before he was actually arraigned, or do we need to get him arraigned on the OWI charge? I'm not sure, Your Honor.
I believe that's the same case.
Yes.
That we're talking.
Correct.
Bond.
Right. But he asked me to bring it up. So we should disregard that arraignment for tomorrow at 1:30?
Yeah, he's supposed to be testing. He's already disregard that.
Thank you, Your Honor. And we'll see you on
January
the 5th. Thank you very much.
Excuse me, Your Honor. Sorry to interrupt, but can you please just reiterate to Mr. Leon to make sure he called the testing number every day to see if his color is called and he is to go to the testing facility once his color is called to test.
Did you get that, Mr. Leon?
Yes, I heard that.
Did you call today? Did you call today?
Yes, I did.
What time did you call?
In the morning before coming here.
What time, I asked? 8 o'clock, 7 o'clock?
7 o'clock.
7, and what was your color called?
No.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor. I believe he understands the order. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Happy holidays, Judge. Enjoy.
Everybody be safe. Happy holidays.
Thank
See
you.
you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day,
Thank you.
Your Honor, to you and your staff.
You as well. Okay, counsel for Goshen Walker, Mr. Gruenberg. The city of Detroit, are you there? Mr. Waski, are you ready on your client?
Yes, we are, Judge. I am ready. We have a resolution. We'll enter a plea to an amended charge.
Let me call it up. You have an attorney? All right, let's get him on.
And Lowry and
City of Detroit
These are both
versus John A. Lucas, case number SP, hold on. SP 178910, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, for the record, James Waski, P 31546, on behalf of Mr. Lucas, who's also present here on Zoom.
Good morning to you, Mr. Lucas. State your name for the record, please.
Johan Lucas.
Johan Edwin Lucas. Good morning. Today is the date and time set for a trial. Is Officer Palmer here?
Judge, Officer Palmer was here. He had a conversation with Ms. Horn and myself, and we have a resolution that I'll be happy to put on the record for you.
And what is that resolution?
That the open alcohol will be dismissed and that Mr. Lucas will enter a plea to the failure to use due care and caution, which is a 2-point ticket.
All right, stipulate to the face. You want to take the deal, Mr. Lucas?
Yes.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an active factual basis for the responsible plea on your client's behalf.
Yes, Judge.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
Stipulate the probable cause.
Find your client responsible as charged to the due care and caution, $130. When can you pay it, Mr. Lucas?
2 weeks.
Pay it by December the 19th, 2025. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it, sir. Have a safe, happy holiday season, and best of luck to you, okay?
Same to you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, Mr. Watson, I'll see you. If I don't see you for the holiday, have a happy holiday.
Judge, I have a case to schedule for you on Monday. I sent you a private chat that I need a 1-day adjournment. I have a medical test as a follow-up to my medical health situation, that they had an opening. They want to do it on Monday morning. And I would just like one day, that's all.
All right, come back on the 9th.
On the 9th, that's fine.
All right, be safe, and we'll see you soon.
All right, thank you, Judge. Appreciate it.
All right, Mr. Gruenberg, are you there? Let's go and
To dismiss, Attorney.
All right,
Yeah, to
okay.
dismiss.
What is your name, sir?
He's the last person.
Devin Outley.
His last name.
Has Harris or Taylor appeared? Officer Taylor, Corporal Taylor is here. He was here. Let's see if he's still here.
Yes, Your Honor, I'm here.
All right, good morning to you, Corporal Taylor.
Good morning, sir.
Otley, can you remove your hat, please? Then we have Harris. Anthony, do you want to speak to the city on an offer for Otley, or you want to? Came to your phone? Do you want to just give him an offer?
I can offer him impeding traffic. He could take that.
Blocking traffic, sir.
Impeding.
Officer, it's same difference. They call it just blocking here, but you want to take that 170, sir? Step up. Turn it off. Turn it off. City of Detroit versus Devin Michael Otley, case number 2044-06651 and C5694721. Mr. Otley, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please. Good morning. My name is Devin Otley. Good morning to you. And Corporal Taylor, good morning to you. Can you state your name, badge number, department for the record, please?
Corporal Wayne County Sheriff, Corporal Taylor with Wayne County Sheriff, badge number 1150.
All right, good morning to you. All right, you want to take the deal blocking traffic? The other case is being dismissed. I don't have an Officer Harris. I do not see Officer Harris on my list, and nor do I see that person has not responded to my calls, and nor do I see him in Zoom. You want to take the deal blocking traffic, 0 point of offense, 1 abstract for Secretary of State, and therefore won't carry the point, $175. Yes. So, all right, stipulate to the face of the ticket. Were you speeding that day? Yes. All right. Find your client responsible for the amended count. Find you responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic, dismissing the other matter, no officer, $175. When can you pay? December 9th, please. Hey, at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit, I'm told you can upload to DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person, Mr. Ali. If it's nothing further, safe, happy holiday season, sir, and best of luck to you. Thank you as well, sir. Thank you. All right, Corporal Taylor, you be safe out there as well, okay?
Excuse me, Your Honor. I have another case as well.
Who's that?
Mr. Muhammad Marie. Did they show up?
I don't know if I had a Mohammed Marie. Hold on. That doesn't seem like that would be here. That would be down in two, I don't know, Mohammed Marie, do you have a case number?
Case number, the case ID is Charlie 570-9151. I'm sorry, you're right, Your Honor. It's in room 220.
All right, be safe out there, Corporal.
All right, Your Honor. Have a good day.
Have a safe, happy holiday season as well. All right. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Green. Mr. Green, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
We are respectfully requesting the appointment of counsel.
Is that what you want to do, Mr. Green?
Yes, Your Honor.
What, I'm going to give you a pre-trial date of December 19th, 2025 at 8:30. That date is set to so that we need to get that appointed attorney to you. I don't have a good phone number from you.
I put it in the chat, Your Honor.
I'm sorry. Answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney before or by that date, then we'll get one appointed to you on the spot, okay?
Okay, I appreciate it, Your Honor.
All right, be safe, sir. I'll see you back before the holiday.
All right, thank you. That was a good one.
Oaks, is Oaks here? Khalil Oaks?
Here.
Good morning to you, sir.
Good morning.
City of Detroit versus Khalil Oaks, case numbers. SP 179-6522 counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 179-7665 counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of Mr. Oaks, please state your name for the record.
Khalil Oaks.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute. I believe there were off docket matters.
Yes.
You get him?
Yeah, it's a pre-trial, so two, let's see, three of them. So I have 3 cases that are on the docket, SP 1797 cases. And then the off docket matters, they're in default. I don't have any issue with setting the defaults aside if the city doesn't have any objection to that. And those would be a 16 to 20 over, a no insurance proof, and a no valid registration. Mr. Oaks, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please. Let's pass the matter. All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Graves. Ms. Graves, please don't have any other outbursts like that again. You hear me?
Yeah.
Do you understand that, ma'am?
Yes.
Mr. Berry, what does Ms. Graves want to do?
Your Honor, Ms. Graves requires a trial and the appointment of counsel. Her number is in the chat. The city has no objection to setting aside the defaults as to the off docket matters.
I'm going to set up. Is that what you want to do, Ms. Graves?
Yes.
Is your last 4 of your phone number 6212?
Yes.
I'm gonna set up a pre-trial date for December the 19th. that date is set to make sure that you hear from that appointed attorney. If you do not hear from that appointed attorney by that date, then we'll get one appointed to you on the spot, okay?
Okay.
And if you don't have any further questions, ma'am, I'll see you back December the 19th. Have a be safe.
All right. Thank you.
Well. Is Tiffany Green here?
Yes, Your Honor. Good morning.
Good morning to you. Do you have a middle name, Ms. Green?
Renee.
Renee. City of Detroit versus Tiffany Renee Green. Case number SP 177-20531. Appearance for the record, please.
Hollywood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Green.
Tiffany Renee Green.
Your Honor, my client would stand mute.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Green, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I will run the license first, Mr. Berry, to see if it's necessary. Okay, give Ms. Green an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, Ms. Green, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Okay.
Join the room. Let's pass the matter. Ms. Cox, I got you coming up next. Gruden, are you ready? Grudenberg?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, good morning. This is the city of Detroit. I believe Gaucher is your client?
Yes, sir.
This is the city of Detroit.
My client has given me permission to stand in her stead.
Let me call it.
Okay.
City of Detroit versus Gaucher Walker. Case number SP 181194142, SP 1812641. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, for the record, Attorney Roy Grunberg, on behalf of Ms. Walker Goshia, Your Honor, my client has given me permission to stand in her stead with the court's permission, of course. And I'm not sure if the officer has showed up or not, Your Honor.
All right. I will waive the client's presence of Officer C. Allen. Officer C. Allen. I do not see Officer Allen in the room. Checking my sheet. I do not see Officer Allen checked in. Go ahead and make your motion, counsel.
Your Honor, I would motion that these charges be dismissed as there's no opposing party.
Case is dismissed. There's nothing further. Have a safe, happy holiday season and best of luck to you.
You too, Your Honor, and good job with that young man earlier with the gaming. I went through that with my son. It's horrible.
Hey,
have a good day, sir.
All right, you too. What about who had Noonan never called back in for Omar? We're waiting on a lawyer for everyone else. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Green. Ms. Green, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, we seek a bench trial date, so she might return with documents.
Is that what you want to do, Ms.?
Yes.
Come back on January the 5th at 9 a.m., ma'am. I wish you a safe and happy holiday season and best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you. You too, Judge.
You're welcome.
Bye-bye.
This is Mr. Berry. Ms. Lopez requires an interpreter. This is the city of Detroit versus Angelina Belinda Lopez Ramos. Case number SP 1799942, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Señora Ángela López Llamos, han llamado a su caso SP 1799422.
Sí.
Yes.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Ms. Lopez, Your Honor.
El abogado de apellido Berry representando a la señora López, su honoría.
Good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time set for a show pause for purposes of arraignment counsel.
Yes, Your
Señora, hoy es la fecha y la hora para lo que se llama mostrar causas propias. ¿Cómo vamos a proceder, abogado?
My client would stand mute, Your Honor.
Mi cliente se queda en silencio.
Lawyer are not guilty, plea on your client's behalf, will give your client a $0 bond.
Voy a declararla no culpable, ponerlo eso bajo su nombre y darle una fianza de $0.
In 2 matters that are in default, I wouldn't have any objection. I wouldn't have any opposition to set them aside. The city has no objection. Expired plate and a no insurance proof.
Los 2 cargos que era que las placas estaban vencidas y no tenía seguro de carro, yo estoy dispuesta porque la ciudad, el abogado de la ciudad aprueba eso, que pospongan esos cargos.
Ms. Ramos, Mr. Berry is going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you do not like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with him. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, please.
Señora Ramos, nos va a mandar a un cuarto privado para que el abogado hable usted sobre una oferta. Si usted no le gusta la oferta, el juez dice que usted tiene derecho de pedir un juicio. Por favor, acepte la invitación en la pantalla para ir al cuarto privado.
Join them.
Excuse me, Your Honor.
Yes, Robert Lane. Officer Johnson. Is there an Officer Johnson here?
Can you hear me, Your Honor?
I heard you.
I wanted to ask if my case can be dismissed because I have cars that I have to go drop off and pick up, and I can't do anything because I'm doing this trial right now.
That's not a valid reason for it to be dismissed. But there is a valid reason. That's just not the right one.
I'm at work right now. That's why I was saying that.
I understand that. City of Detroit versus Robert Lee Lane, case number SP 11050931. State your name for the record, sir.
Robert Lee Lane.
All right, today is the date and time set for a trial. Is there an Officer Johnson, W. Johnson? I don't hear any response, and I do not see Officer Johnson on my list. That would be a valid reason for you to seek a dismissal on the court's own motion. I'm going to dismiss the case, no officer. I'm going to waive the warrant fee. There is a $45 reinstatement fee. And I don't know if you have a valid license to be driving any cars. I haven't checked, but according to this, you owe $336 on a no insurance proof, along with some other civil infractions. But though that $336 should have you not getting a clearance here. So I don't know if that has affected your license. Typically it does. So there's nothing further, sir.
I never lived in Detroit to receive a license. I have a license for the state of Florida. So
I would check that.
I do. My license here is valid.
You're Robert Lee Lane?
Yes.
My client, Your Honor.
Is case dismissed? Put your
Yes.
appearance on the record.
Alan Soroki, P37441, appearing behalf of the defendant, Your Honor. Case dismissed.
No office.
Yes.
All right. Be safe, Mr. Lane. I don't know how that new insurance proof here will affect your Florida license. Be safe. Have a very good day and happy holidays to you. Best of luck to you.
Thank you.
We'll dismiss on Dwayne Lowry also, Your Honor, for no recall.
City of Detroit versus Dwayne Laurie, case number SP 168-31151. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Alan Soroki, P37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant. What's your full name for the record, sir?
Dwayne Laurie, state your name for the record, please.
Dwayne Griffin Laurie.
Your Honor, at this time, defense moves to dismiss this matter pursuant to motion of the prosecution based on lack of recall of the complainant witness.
And I will mark the file that Mr. Officer Clark was here. I don't know if he's here now, but no recollection. Case dismissed, sir. I'll grant the motion. If you don't have anything further, have a safe, happy holiday season and best of luck to you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a great day and a great holiday.
Are you as well, better?
Merry Christmas.
You too, Mr. Soroki. Be safe.
Take care, Mr. Soroki.
Noonan on, is that on Omar?
Yes, Your Honor.
City of Detroit versus Ibrahim Mohammed Ahmad Omar, case number SP 182-89081. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. May it please this honorable court. Attorney David Newman, PA 2515, appearing on behalf of defendant Ibrahim Omar. Your Honor, I did have an opportunity to speak with the officer in this matter, and we are asking for an adjournment. I need to speak with my client.
Officer Del Bosco, can you state your name, badge number to the record, please?
Yes, Officer Del Bosque, Detroit Police, badge 4916.
All right, Detroit Police. All right. And you couldn't work this out, the disregard of an officer's signal?
No, Your Honor, not at this time.
What was the off?
For speed 1 to 5, my client's a truck driver. He'd possibly lose his job on this one.
Now, if your client has a commercial vehicle license, then there won't be anything. They can probably reduce it some, but he's gonna have to take some points unless he can beat it at trial, because there's a masking laws in place now. I don't know if you're privy to them, but need to look that up. The masking laws for commercial truck drivers. They don't want to reduce points tickets to 0 points anymore.
No, I understand. Yeah.
There's good. It can be done. It can be done, but you'd have to have some good cause to make that happen. So, are you any objection to coming back?
No, Your Honor, no objection.
Come back on formal hearing on January the 5th, 2026 at 8:30.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you, officer.
Thank you.
All right.
Thank
Safe
you.
out there.
Thank you. Be safe. Thank you.
Are we ready on Ramos?
Ready, Your Honor.
And what does Ramos want to do?
Your Honor, we need to seek a bench trial date.
And Your Honor, this is an interpreter for Ms. Ramos. She couldn't figure out how to come back from the breakout room.
I'm trying to pull her in now. Let's go back on the record with Lopez Ramos. Ms. Ramos, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel.
Estamos regresando bajo las escrituras en el caso de la señora López Ramos. Señora López Ramos, le he dado la oportunidad de hablar con su abogado.
Sí.
Yes.
Is my understanding you want a trial date, ma'am?
Lo que yo entiendo es que tú quieres pedir otra fecha para un juicio.
Sí.
Yes.
Come back on January 5th at 9 a.m. If it's nothing further, ma'am, have a safe and happy holiday season and best of luck to you.
Your Honor, this is interpreter, January 5th.
January 5th.
Ok, el día que le dice el juez que regrese, anótelo porque no, tal vez no le llegue nada. Es el 5 de enero a las 9 de la mañana por el mismo número de Zoom. 5 de enero, 9 de la mañana.
Nothing further, have a safe and
9
happy
en
holiday.
punto de la mañana.
At 9 o'clock a.m.
9 o'clock.
Sí, 9 de la mañana. Si no tienen más nada, que tenga buen día, buenos días de fiesta y nos vemos el 5 de enero.
Sí, puedo hacerle una pregunta.
Can I make one question? Can I ask my attorney one question?
Yes, do you want to go in the breakout room and ask?
Sí, pero ¿quiere usted ir a un cuarto privado para preguntar?
Sí.
Yes.
Go back in the breakout room, rejoin the room.
Entonces acepte la invitación para regresar al cuarto privado.
Gracias.
Thank you.
If you don't have any further questions with the court, you're free to leave, all right?
Si después no tiene ninguna otra pregunta, cuando termine, usted se puede ir.
Okay.
Is it room 2, Your Honor?
Maybe.
I'm gonna put her in 5 and switch her back to 2. And then we have one more, Ms. Cox.
Yes, I will come back, Your Honor, unless you want me to do it now.
No, we'll wait, Mr. Berry.
Okay.
Yep.
Ranisha Goodman.
I'm here, Your Honor. I'm Jamar Goodman.
Jamar Goodman, okay, good. I think we can get Mr. Newman out of here.
Es que el
All right, are we Almost gone. This is the city of Detroit, Mr. Berry versus Jose De Jesus Gonzalez Garcia, case number SN 2360171. Appearance for the record, please.
Este es el caso de la ciudad contra José de Jesús González García, SN 2360171. Preséntense para las escrituras.
Elwood S. Berry Jr., on behalf of the defendant, state your full name, Mr. Garcia.
El abogado Elwood Berry, representando al acusado, señor García, diga su nombre completo, por favor.
José de Jesús González García.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, my client would stand mute.
Su honoría, con el propósito de la lectura de cargos, mi cliente se queda en silencio.
I will enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Good morning, Mr. Garcia. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Voy a poner una declaración de no culpable bajo su nombre. Le voy a dar una fianza de $0. Señor García, lo vamos a mandar a un cuarto privado para que hable con el abogado Berry de alguna oferta que le hagan. Tenga en cuenta de que si no le gusta la oferta, usted tiene el derecho absoluto de pedir un juicio.
Ok, está bien.
Okay, that is fine.
Join the room, please.
Acepte la invitación a un cuarto privado, por favor.
For Looney, Towns, Orwell, Beckham, nobody up here. Right, this is the city of Detroit versus Daryl Looney. Case number SP 1150948. SP 1795286. Counts 1 and counts 2. SP 98189. Counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 101252661. SP 1795288, counts 1 and counts 2. Mr. Looney, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Daryl Anthony Looney.
Today is the date and time set for a trial. I haven't seen off the town of Warville, Beckham, Irie. Any of those, none of those officers are on my list. On the court's own motion, I'm going to dismiss the cases for no officer. You still owe a host of civil infractions, Mr. Looney. I'll waive any warrant fees and you'll be responsible to pay a $45 reinstatement. So if you don't have anything further, sir, I wish you a safe and happy holiday season and best of luck to you.
Is that reinstatement fee on my license?
Yeah.
I already have my license reinstated.
You'd have to come down to the 36th district. Well, you still owe it though. Those
Yeah.
I know that they've not it does, the reinstatement fees on most tickets don't affect your license anymore, but you still owe it to the court.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
All right, there's nothing further. Safe, happy holiday season. Best of luck to you, sir.
Okay, Your Honor, you too. Thank you.
Lipscomb of Davis's, Officer Davis did appear and is here, so you have to wait, Mr. Lipscomb. Well, let's go back on the record, Mr. Garcia. Mr. Garcia, yes, Ms. Harris.
I was just letting you know that Ms. Horn did extend an offer on the, well, gave her recommendation, and so that's why I put notes behind his name.
Mr. Garcia, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client has shown valid insurance, valid registration. I apologize. We seek dismissal.
You're muted, Ms. Cox.
I'm so sorry, Your Honor. Señor García, su abogado dijo que usted había mostrado los documentos válidos del registro de las placas y está pidiendo que le desestimen o anulen los cargos.
Ok, muy bien. Oiga, una
Thank you very
pregunta.
much. One question.
Entonces no van a, porque me habían dicho que iban a cobrar 500, pero entonces no van a cobrar nada, ¿verdad?
So I was told that I might have to pay 500, so I don't have to pay anything?
You don't have to pay anything.
No, no
Say
tiene,
that.
no tiene que pagar nada.
Ok, muy bien.
Okay, thank you.
All right, Ms. Cox, if there's nothing further, if I don't see you before the holiday, you have a safe and happy holiday season, and we thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. Entonces, señor García, ya quedó el caso anulado, no debe nada, se puede desconectar.
Ok,
Buenos
muy
días
bien,
de
gracias.
fiesta. Thank you
Gracias.
very much. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, Mr. Berry.
Thank you, sir.
See you later. This is the City of Detroit versus Jamar Goodman, case number SP 1025542, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1025831, SP 1426761, SP 1796280, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Goodman.
Jamar Goodman.
Mr.
For
Goodman,
purposes of arraignment, Your Honor, my client would stand mute.
and we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. So, Mr. Berry, you have your pen ready?
Ready, Your Honor.
Civil infraction, I wouldn't have any issue with setting aside if the city doesn't have any objection. It went along with the most recent ticket, 16 to 20 over. Drive while license suspended. Drive while license suspended. Improper plates. No insurance. And unregistered, untitled. All of them except for the speeding ticket are misdemeanors. He owes 2 other civil infractions that we won't address. He needs to pay those, and driving in an unsafe manner and a 6 to 10 over. Mr. Goodman or Mr. Berry is going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Put you in a breakout room with them. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, all right?
Okay.
Join the room. Let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Oaks. Mr. Oaks, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, there's a recommendation. My client could admit responsibility to the amended count of blocking traffic, and the remaining matters would be dismissed. And the 16 to 20 is the matter that is being amended.
You want to take the deal, sir?
Yes.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an active factual basis for the responsible plea on your client's behalf.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
You almost sound a little hesitant. All right, I'm going to find your client responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic, $175. When can you pay it, Mr. Oaks?
I could pay it on the 19th.
Pay it by December 19th. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the 2 best ways I can tell you to pay it, sir. If you don't have anything further, I wish you a safe, happy holiday season and best of luck to you.
You too. Thank you.
Thank you. This is the city of Detroit versus Lamar, Eugene, Lockhart, Simon. Case numbers SP 1803232, counts 1 and counts 2. And there's a dog restraint ticket, B1194122 that he didn't pay. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris on behalf of Mr. Lockhart, please state your name for the record.
Lamar Lockhart Center.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Start your video, Mr. Lockhart.
My front camera is broke, so I will have to flip my phone around.
We gotta see who you are. Enter a not guilty plea on his behalf. We'll give him a $0 bond. Flip it.
I gotta keep it.
Okay. All right, you gotta flip it upside down now. Okay, so you'll know what he's gonna do with this dog restraint ticket. Ms. Harris, give Mr. Lockhart an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, Mr. Lockhart, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. Let us know what you want to.
Can I ask something, Your Honor?
Okay, what do you want to ask?
Okay, for the ticket that I'm going to court for today, right? I don't want I want to go to trial for it because my rights got violated.
Talk to Ms. Harris. Talk to Ms. Harris. Talk to Ms. Harris.
All right.
All right. But then you're gonna come back and see about settling up on this old ticket you never paid.
All right.
All right. Put you in a breakout room, Mr. Lockhart. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join them. Let us know what you want to do when you come out.
All right.
Pass them. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Goodman. Mr. Goodman, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we seek a bench trial date.
That's what you want to do, Mr. Goodman?
Yes, sir.
Come back on January the 5th, 2020, January the 5th, 2026 at 9 a.m., sir. If you don't have anything further, I wish you a safe, happy holiday season and best of luck to you, okay?
Same to you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Ms. Lusk, are you still there with us?
Yes.
City of Detroit. All right, good morning to you. This is the City of Detroit versus Shakayla Goldie Lusk, case number SP 1752937, counts 2 and counts 3. SP 1753488, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Lusk.
Shakayla Goldie Lusk.
Shakayla, I'm sorry. Today is the date and time set for a show cause, Mr. Berry.
Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
And we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. There is one ticket I wouldn't have any issue with setting aside. The city has no objection. That is she asked for an attorney. Did you ever get an attorney now?
No, no, sir.
Let's get her one right now. Let me pass it. Thank you, Ms. Memphis. Let's pass that matter. Let's, Mr. Lipscomb. Mr. Lipscomb, Dominic Lipscomb.
Yes, hello.
Good morning to you.
Good morning.
This is the City of Detroit versus Dominique Michael Lipscomb and the State of Michigan versus Dominique Michael Lipscomb. Case number. It's only the City of Detroit. Well, we got some 2 new tickets. Case number is SP 1821294, counts 1 and counts 2, 1950544901. And SX 4612619, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Lipscomb.
Dominique Michael Lipscomb.
He came.
Wasack, the turn.
Wasack.
Yeah, Jane Wasack.
Wasack.
Yes.
He was here.
This is that's what's up.
All right. Today is the date and time set for a trial. I know that Officer Davis did check in. He's not here right now. Mr. Berry, see what you can do. The other 2 matters, more recent matters, you could do 1 or 2 things. You can try to settle it up all today, Mr. Lipscomb, or you can set the other matters for a formal hearing and trial and formal hearing. Officer M. Davis was here. I don't see Officer Matisse, Mattes. Mr. Barrett.
Yes, Your Honor. And those two charges,
For the two charges of the seatbelt ticket and no ops, I'll dismiss the one no ops for no officer. And I don't know if they have a good reason why Officer Davis did not appear. But talk to Ms.
If I may, Sherika Harris, stepping in as co-counsel. Ms. Horn did indicate that Officer Davis wanted to dismiss those matters. So Ms. Horn was recommending a dismissal on Officer Davis's matters.
All right, so there we go. Well, you're winning and you don't even have to say anything. I'll say no recollection because he did appear. Now, the other two matters, no ops and a seatbelt. What do you want to do with those two? You want to set another trial? Or do you want to speak to Mr. Barry, see if you can resolve it?
I want to resolve, see if I can resolve.
All right, join the breakout where Mr. Barry's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. That's a no ops and a seat, Mr. Barry.
thank you, Your Honor.
Well, pass the matter. All right. Are we ready, Ms. Horn, on Mr. Lockhart? Let's go back on the record with Mr. Lockhart Simon.
Yes, I'm here.
Ms. Harrison, we're respectfully requesting the appointment of counsel.
Okay. I'm going to get you an appointed attorney, sir. I'm going to have you back on December 19th at 8:30. That date is set for you to hear from that attorney. If you don't hear from that attorney by that date or before that date, then we'll get one appointed to you on the spot. All I ask of you is to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney.
Okay.
And put this money you owe here on this V ticket, dog restraint. It was he pled to this ticket on 2/29/2024. It was $240 at the time, and it's now ballooned to $348. Where's the money, sir?
Why did it go to $308 or $80?
Because you never paid it, and then late fees and all that stuff.
With that situation, I pled guilty to it, but when I went to go pick up the dog, it wasn't my dog, and I returned it back to them.
This has already been pled to, so I don't know what you're saying about that. You were supposed to be back for a review on August the 1st, 2024. I would have dismissed the ticket had you paid.
Well, I had to set up a payment arrangement for it. I had to come down there.
All right, I'm gonna
tomorrow.
I'm gonna bring you back down to the original amount of the ticket, $240. I'm gonna mark the file allow payment plan. Take care of that before you come back, all right?
You said December 19th at 8 o'clock, 8:30.
At 8:30, yes. If there's nothing further, sir, and answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney, we'll appoint one for you on the spot on that day, all right?
Okay.
Is this
I'm good to hang up?
You're good.
Okay.
Your attorney, Ms. Lusk, was here this morning. I don't know if he didn't get the notice or not. We're calling him back, all right?
Okay.
That brings me down to Graham. LaShante Graham.
Yes.
Good morning to you. Good morning to you. Still good morning.
Hello. Yes.
Good morning to you, sir. City of Detroit versus LaShante Graham. Case numbers U728260025, U7282585. appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name for the record.
Ashante Graham. Ashante Graham, you got to unmute yourself, start your camera, and state your name, please.
Yes,
Mr. Graham, are you there? Ashante Graham.
And I will ask, has counsel been requested?
No.
hello, yes, I'm sorry. I just had to figure out how to unmute it.
All right. State your name for the record, please, sir. Good morning to you.
Good morning, Leshante Graham.
All right, day is date time set for a pretrial. Mr. Graham, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Harris. All right, if you found guilty or plead to this, discharging this firearm, then I'm going to fine you the maximum amount, $500. All right, and you're going to be on a 12-month delayed sentence, meaning that you are going to have to not get in any trouble, pay the money, and you're going to get a month to pay the money, and then you're going to have to take a gun safety course. All right.
Okay.
Mr. Graham, we'll put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Okay, thank you.
Let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Lipscomb. Mr. Lipscomb, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, we would set these matters for a bench trial.
Okay, that's what you want to do, Mr. Lipscomb?
Yes.
I'm going to set the matters for a trial date on December the 23rd. December the 23rd at 9 a.m., okay?
Okay.
So I'll see you back before the holiday.
Okay.
All right, best of luck to you, sir. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you. Thank you.
Gets me down to Daryl Greer, or Daryl Green. Daryl Green, are you there?
Yes, can you hear me?
Sir.
Good morning, Yana.
Help me out, Mr. Berry. Where's Mr. Green on the docket?
I don't find him, Your Honor.
Mr. Green, do you have a middle name?
Aaron. Yep, Aaron. Aaron.
He's at 1:30. Give me a minute, Mr. Green.
Okay, no problem.
Stephen Gavin. Mr. Gavin, are you there?
Yeah, I'm here.
This is the city of Detroit versus Stephen Eugene Gavin. Case number 05243631. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Gavin.
Stephen Eugene Gavin.
All right, this is an old case. Do I have you tested, sir?
I'm sorry, could you repeat that?
Do I have you testing?
Oh, yes.
Who's your attorney?
Last time, I believe you assigned me, Mr. Barry.
Get Mr. Gavin an attorney, and get the probation department. How's the testing going?
Clean as a whistle.
Because you said you don't drink anymore, right?
I don't do any of that stuff.
All right, let me get you an attorney. Let's pass the matter. Mr. Waskey, have you spoken to Ms. Lusk?
Yeah, I have, Judge, but I gotta be honest with you. I don't have her as a client. Are you sure that it's my case? I mean, I'll take it if somebody needs a lawyer.
That's what it has on this documentation here. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Lusk. Ms. Lusk, Mr. Waskey, put your appearance on the record, please.
Sure, Judge. James Waskey, P31546 on.
Let me get it right. Shaquila.
Shaquila.
I get it wrong every time, don't I? Shaquila. All right, so it's a no insurance, driver license suspended, repeat offender, failure to stop required, reckless driving, disregarding a traffic control device. Those are the tickets. I don't have any notes to suggest what the allegation was all about. I don't know if you saw my cousin Vinny, but they say she was driving this Buick and she run like the Dickens. All right.
Yeah.
All right.
Can I have a case number on this? Because I like I said, I have no file or anything that would indicate I got an appointment on this.
SP 1753488 counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1752937 counts 2 and counts 3.
Okay, and the first one that you gave me ended in 88, correct?
88 counts 1, 2, and 3.
Yeah. Okay. Judge, I'm going to ask if we can get a new date. I'll ask for some discovery and get an opportunity to look at discovery and stuff and see if we can't maybe do something with it. I'll be happy to handle it, but.
Well, your name is on here, so it happens like that sometimes, but at least she's represented now. You're in good hands, Miss Lusk.
Okay, thank you.
Shaquila Lusk, right?
Yes.
All right, come back January 5th, 2026 for a pre-trial. We'll just set it for a trial day?
Well, let's set it for a pretrial, Judge. I'm sure with this kind of ticket, Miss Horn and I, we probably can work something out. Just we need to be able to look at.
We'll come back December 19th.
Judge, I'm going to be gone on the 19th.
Come back January 5th.
January 5th would be great. I appreciate it.
26 at 8:30. Ms. Lusk, have a safe, happy holiday season, and best of luck to you, okay?
You do too. You do this too. Thank you. Thank you so much.
All right.
Thank you.
Judge, thank you very much. You take care. I'll see you next week.
You as well. All right.
James Wask.
You have the number, you have his number, you guys exchange information, right?
I'm going to send her back to the breakout
Here,
room.
go back to the breakout room and then speak before you leave.
Right.
Okay.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
As well. All right. Mr. Barry, are you ready on someone? Let's get Mr. Daryl Green. This is the city of Detroit versus Daryl Aaron Green, case number SB 181383, counts 1. I mean, strike that. SB 181381, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
O.S. Barry Jr. on behalf of Mr. Green. State your full name, sir.
Good morning, Your Honor. Daryl Aaron Green.
Oh, yes.
All right, good morning to you. Mr. Barry, this is on the afternoon arraignment docket. His
Yes.
driving while license never acquired, unregistered, untitled, and no insurance misdemeanor. I'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. I'll give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Green, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Okay, thank you.
All right, let's pass that matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Graham. Mr. Graham, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, he wants an appointed attorney. Is that correct?
No, Your Honor, he does not. He wishes to resolve his matters by way of a plea today against counsel's advisement.
I'm sure. You want to, what is the deal?
He's gonna plead to the the firearms ordinance violation with the remaining matter dismissed.
You want to take the deal, sir?
Yes, I just have one question. Will I be able to get my firearm back?
I wouldn't even let you get it. I wouldn't even, if you came with an order and a firearm and try to get a firearm back and you shoot off a firearm at a gas station, no way. You don't deserve a firearm.
Okay. I plead. I plead not guilty. I rather. I'm sorry,
Go
sir.
ahead. Go back in the breakout room with Ms. Harris.
Okay, thank you.
Get his firearm back. That's all he cares about. Join the room. That's what his allegation says. He's shooting a firearm out with some ecstasy. That's not me. Can I get my firearm back? No. Look at Mr. Gavin. It's not funny, but Canada, man, it's like.
Yeah, because he gotta be joking.
Sit here long enough, you'll hear it all.
I think he heard the best today. He didn't catch the bus.
He said the weather was too bad.
He's
That was the worst.
That is mom. Mr. Veltman, I don't see Miss Goodman, so.
The weather.
Well.
In Michigan.
You're muted, Mr. Vaughn. Did we get Mr. Gavin an attorney?
I sent out a request.
Did we get the probation department here?
Samuel Hunter is gonna Zoom in.
I haven't seen him in a long time.
He said he not catching the bus because I got hired at this job on December the 13th. It was freezing.
Freezing outside.
But I was on the bus.
I'm gonna just be broke and let my mother do everything.
I caught the bus all my whole high school and after high school years. I
had no car. I was on the bus.
But that's what I say. That's another thing about this Uber and this Lyft stuff. It is one of the worst things that's happened to our community because people think that also with just, I don't know what type of guidance he's giving him, that he's gotten, but you didn't tell me you're so sheltered and taken care of that you can't even catch the bus. All right, let's go back on the record. Let's hear it again. Mr. Graham.
Your Honor, we are respectfully requesting a trial date.
Very well. That's what you want to do, Mr. Graham?
Yes.
Right. And I'm sure you need a lawyer.
He's going to retain counsel, Your Honor.
Is he going to retain counsel?
Yes, Your Honor.
Come back in 2 weeks, sir. Let's see who that attorney is going to be. December the 19th, 2025 at 8:30. Going to retain attorney. All right.
And December 19th would be his trial date, Your Honor, or is that a
That
pre-trial?
would be just a pre-trial. I'm gonna give him a trial. I'm gonna give him a chance to retain his attorney.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
I wanna see this. All right, Mr. Graham, have a very good day. I'll see you back before the holiday, all right?
Okay, thank you. Have a good one.
December 19th at 8:30.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
Well, all right, let's go back on, or wherever, yeah, there.
Yeah. Yes, okay.
I know one time I asked my father to drive me to school. I asked him to drive me to school. He said, "No." I said, "Why not?" He said, "I'll drive you to the bus stop." He said, "That bus drops you off right in front of school." I was like, "Oh man, I didn't even
Okay. I still catch the bus. My daughter be like, you got your pepper spray, mom. I still catch the bus.
Yeah, I don't know where this job. I brought my old man something like that.
I just thought that was bold because I never caught the bus until I was an adult away at school.
Brett.
We know that, Ms. Harris.
I caught the yellow school bus, so I just walked outside and got on the yellow bus that took us to school.
Ms. Harris, we know that. We can, everybody in Zoom world, all your followers would have known that too.
Is it that bad?
No, I didn't say it was bad. We just said we know.
We understand. But this is a different generation. The bus is not a thing.
Yeah, curbside kids.
Okay, is work a thing?
Yes.
Work, it doesn't seem to be a thing anymore either then.
Oh, they scamming now, too.
They scamming?
Oh, these young guys.
I don't know,
What they doing?
They're making money from home online.
He's not.
They have podcasts.
He even have a cell phone.
He can't even pay a cell phone bill.
That was different. He was different.
He was
He's
young.
on his way. He's on his way. He's on his way.
Let's be fair. He's
Hey,
young.
how y'all doing? How you doing, Your Honor?
You good, Corporal Baker? I don't know who you had, but I don't think they're. Oh, Goodman. That's Mr. Bachman's client didn't show.
We're ready, Your Honor. I have her on the telephone. She just had a technical difficulty. We have an agreement.
Oh, okay. All right.
That's for my case, sir?
Yeah, and Boyd, go ahead and grab Bird out of the room. I guess, I know they get the prompt to come out, so, all right. Let's get Mr. Gavin on his way. Let's call the city of Detroit. Let's recall Mr. Stephen Gavin. Mr. Gavin, Mr. Officer Hunter, good morning to you. Can you give us some insight on what's going on with Mr. Gavin? Oh, did we ever get an attorney?
She's reaching out.
Okay, let me get the attorney. Okay, let's go on the record with Mr. Gavin. Probation Officer Hunter, good morning to you. Can you unmute yourself, start your camera, and state your name, please?
Yes, Mr. Are you on Zoom?
All right, let's pass the matter.
Okay.
Mr. Berry, let's go back on the record with Mr. Darrell Green. Mr. Green, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's offer to allow him to enter a plea to allowing for the license charge and the remaining matters to be dismissed.
You want to take the deal, sir?
Yes, sir.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
I do.
All right, you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, sir.
I remember you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes, he did.
You understood those rights?
Yes, sir.
Any questions about those rights?
No.
You know, by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes, I do.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, sir.
All right, let me draw your attention back to October 23rd of 2025, around 11:45 a.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Hayes and Promenade. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, sir.
You're operating that motor vehicle?
Yes, I was.
Officer asked you to produce a valid driver's license.
Yes, he did.
And you couldn't do so, could you?
No, sir.
Why is that?
Your Honor, honestly, I never had my license.
You've gone all this time without a valid license, Mr. Green.
I have, Your Honor.
What's that all about?
Tickets, obtaining tickets, it's honestly, it's been a lot, Your Honor. It's been a lot. Just trying to.
License now?
Beg your pardon?
Are you eligible for a license?
Yes,
Well, why don't you get a license?
I am working towards that, Your Honor.
All right, find your client guilty as to the amended count of allowing. $240 is going to be the fine. Stipulate to probable cause will dismiss the other matters.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, this won't affect your ability to get a license, sir. When can you pay?
Can we push towards the new year?
I'll give you 30 days. January 8th, 2026. Come back on January the 8th at 8:25. You pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload to DivDat app to your phone, or you come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If you don't have anything further, sir, I wish you a safe and happy holiday season and best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you, and same to you all.
Thank you, thank you. Mr. Hunter, are you there?
Your Honor, can you hear me?
I can. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Gavin. Where's Mr. Gavin's file? Let's go back on the record with Mr. Stephen Gavin. Mr. Hunter, are you anything issue with Mr. Gavin?
Your Honor, apologies for earlier. I had to borrow someone else's headphones. And I'm still not hearing on my end. I can hear it from the computer, but I can't hear it through the headphones. So my name is Sam Hunter. I'm with representing 36th District Court Probation. Your Honor, with regard to Mr. Stephen Gavin, he has been compliant, Your Honor. He has been testing as ordered. He has not had any missed tests, and his tests have been negative. Hopefully you can hear me.
That's what he told me. That's what he told me he was going to do too when he came in here the first time.
I'm sorry, Your Honor.
That's what he told me he was going to do when he came in the first time too. So far he's a man of his word. We're going to get him an attorney. So thank you, Officer Hunter. Long time no see. If there's nothing further, I'm going to wish you a safe and happy holiday season, Officer Hunter. We're going to give Mr. Gavin an attorney today. All right, give me a few more minutes, Mr. Gavin. Let's pass the matter. Is it Boffman?
I'm here.
All right, you're Mr. Gavin's attorney. Mr. Gavin has an old 2000, I don't know what this is, before. Mr. Gavin, why don't you tell Miss Goodman to call in, have her call in so we can hear her. And
I have her on the phone. Miss Goodman, can you hear us?
have her call into to Zoom ID. And that would be 929, Miss Mathis. Miss Mathis, go talk to Mr. Gavin so we can get him on his way.
Okay. Mr. Gavin, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room. I'm coming there right away.
Still the officer, permission, don't need to come back. This one's gonna switch devices.
Can you press join for room 6?
Skip the number to the Zoom ID, 929.
Area code 929
929.
4862. Hold on. Area code 929 436 48. No. Excuse me, got the off.
She's gonna pull it up.
Sorry about that.
All right.
It's 929 436 2866.
2866. Got it. We'll come right away.
All right, tell her to call in and then you can go see Mr. Gavin. All right, I'll call it and just put it on the record. City of Detroit versus Kaya Marie Goodman, case number SP 142092331, SP 1663079. SP 1663127 counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1778304 counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1778310 counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1778311. C8080521. Call probation for Kaya Goodman as well. 2048239 counts 1 and counts 2. State of Michigan versus Kaya Goodman, case number SX 409817002. SX 4251176. Officer Baker, Corporal Baker, good morning to you. Can you state your name, badge number, department for Goodman? Can't get Billy Bird out of the breakout room here. And then Corporal Rule, good morning to you. Can you state your name, badge number, department for Goodman?
Corporal Roll, badge 38960 Detroit Police.
All right, good morning to you.
Good morning.
So who? Well, the Gore never did show. Officer Gore never did show for Goodman. Right?
I'm sorry, Your Honor. Corporal Baker, was I finished, Your Honor?
No, Corporal Baker, put your name, badge number, department on the record, please.
Yes, Your Honor. Corporal RTS Baker, badge 21, Detroit Police Department.
All right, good morning to you.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning to you. She hasn't come on. Ms. McCall, good morning to you.
Your Honor, this is actually Officer Hunter. I want to apologize for earlier.
Don't worry. You're free, Officer Hunter. Everything is good. I heard everything you said, and Mr. Gavin speaking. I might amend his bond so that he doesn't have to test us. Well, I'm going to give him a trial date December 23rd, so I think we'll get it squared away on that.
December 23rd.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Be safe. Have a safe holiday.
You as well. Thank you.
You know what happened with Goodman?
Ms. Goodman?
Yeah.
Yes, this is Miss Goodman.
State your name for the record, ma'am.
Kaya Marie Goodman.
All right, let's pass the matter momentarily. Your attorney is in with another client. We'll be with you in 1 second, all right?
Yes, sir. I did give you a call, Your Honor, to leave a message to let you know that I was having internet difficulties.
Okay. Thank you for that.
Not a problem. Thank you.
Is this officer still with the force? Do you know his form?
Your Honor, as to Gore, I'm not certain, and I know Trooper James.
No, this Zeolla for Gavin. This is a 20-year-old, 1+ year OWI.
Let me try to look it up, Your Honor. Let me go to our Outlook and see if it registers as the name. That name is easy to figure out. Let's see. Zeolla.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Gavin. Mr. Baughman, I was just going to set a trial date for December 23rd. I mean, so.
December 23rd, Your Honor, does not work for the people.
What about the officer? Do we know whether he still works for the force?
Yes, once I did the online Outlook search, yes, William Zeolla is an officer. Is still registered with the city of Detroit.
What about January the 5th?
Okay, let me take a look. That will work, Your Honor.
Is that good for you, Mr. Baughman, and your client?
I'm okay for January 5. What about you, Mr. Gavin?
Yeah, I'm okay with that. I have one question. Am I still testing to that date?
I'll amend this testing to twice monthly. He's been compliant. I told 2 times monthly. You still need to call in. File, come back January 5th, 2026 at 9 a.m., all right? Let Mr. Hunter know we amended the testing twice.
Okay.
All right, Mr. Gavin, have a safe, happy holiday season, sir, and best of luck to you.
Thank you so much. See you next year.
Okay.
All right.
Real quick, before we leave, Your Honor, before we leave Mr. Gavin, is Mr. Baughman representing Mr. Gavin for the trial?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
All right. All right. Be safe, Mr. Gavin. Have a safe, happy holiday season. I'll see you next year.
You as well. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, let's go back on the record with Ms. Goodman. Mr. Baughman, can you put your appearance on the record for Ms. Goodman?
Good afternoon or good morning. Harry Baughman for the defendant. Would you, ma'am, give the court your full name?
I am Marie Goodman.
Thank you.
All right, so we've already, the officers Bird, Corporal Rule, and Corporal, Baker are here. I haven't seen Trooper Dane or Martin, and then we have not seen Officer Gore. So Miss Goodman has, that's a big time Christmas present for her.
Yes, Your Honor. As to those matters for which no officer appeared, I move to dismiss without prejudice. As to the officers who came in, thankfully, there is a recommendation. My client will plead to 3 counts. Let me know when you're ready for the specifics.
I'm ready.
Okay. So, and count ending in 231. The defendant will plead guilty to failure to display a valid driver's license.
Why don't we go all the way up to the furthest counts and do that?
Those are the most recent. Yeah, any one of the ones that, if it pleases you, it pleases me, Judge. Anyone for a failure to display, 1 count of improper plate, and 1 count of blockading.
Take the deal, Ms. Goodman.
Yes, I'm here, Mr. Perkins. Just,
You want to take this deal?
yes,
Can you raise your right hand, please?
yes, sir.
Is your hand raised?
Yes, Your Honor.
You swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth.
Yes, Your Honor.
Or you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for these offenses? Misdemeanor offenses are 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines.
Yes, I do.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, I do.
Mr. Baughman went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes.
And you understood those rights?
Yes.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
No, Your Honor.
Do you know by taking this deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes, I do.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, Your Honor.
All right. Let me ask you this, ma'am. Was this vehicle, this 09 Pontiac, did you own that 09 Pontiac?
Yes, I did. I no longer own it.
Let me draw your attention back to August 18th, 2025 at around 3:20 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Lasher and Grand River. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, I did, Your Honor.
Were you operating that 09 Pontiac on that day?
Yes, Your Honor, I was.
And did the officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license and insurance?
Yes, he did, Your Honor.
And you couldn't do so, could you, ma'am?
No, I could not.
And why is that?
I didn't have proper driver's license, and my insurance that I had, I didn't know that it wasn't the right insurance when I brought the car from the dealer that I got it from. So when I gave it to him, he told me, and I went and took care of it and got the insurance and brought it in, and you wasn't there. You was on vacation.
All right, I'm gonna find your client guilty as to the admitted count of failure to display and improper plates, failure to display for driving license suspended, and improper plates for the no insurance. And then as for there's already a blocking traffic here that's
Yes.
already into the system. You want to stipulate to the face of the ticket?
Yes,
What do you
Your Honor,
want to say?
for the purpose of the responsible plea to blockading, I stipulate to the information contained within the 4 corners of the complaint in that matter. And I stipulate to probable cause as to each matter being dismissed here.
He threw the book at you that day, didn't he, Miss Goodman?
Sort of, kind of, and no. Can I speak for 1 second?
Don't
With
say
the
too much.
Grand River,
Last year in Grand River? Have you ever heard of the expression getting the book thrown at you?
not really.
So that means that he wrote you for everything he possibly could.
Oh yeah, the insurance lady said that, but she also told me when I went to the court to let you know that the sign that's there is not noticeable, so I should have let you know to see if I can have that dropped down to double parking.
Well, you already got that. He wrote you for that too.
Oh wow.
He wrote you for that too. Blocking a moving lane of traffic.
Oh wow.
So, is there anything else you want to say, Ms. Goodman, before I sentence you?
No, sir.
Nothing else you want to get off your chest about this?
No, I just want to get everything taken care of and be responsible so I can drive and get back and forth to work.
All right. Well, I found her guilty for the improper plate and the failure to display with that stipulation. You'll be as charged to the blocking traffic. Stipulate the probable cause will dismiss the other matters.
Don't stipulate it.
To waive the warrant fee, shall pay the reinstatement fee. What I'll do for you, ma'am, is I'll only fine you for one of the misdemeanors. I won't fine you for the other ones. You owe a lot of money here already. So $240 is gonna be the fine. I'll waive the warrant fees and you'll pay any and all reinstatement fees. I'm gonna set this matter for pay by date of January 8th, 2026. And I'm gonna mark the file allow payment plan. So do one of two things on or before January 8th. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. There are other ways to pay it, but those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. Or come on down before or on January the 8th, and pay and get into a payment plan, okay, ma'am?
Yes, sir. So can I have the total amount? Is there a total
No.
amount that you have? No. Okay, I'm sorry.
No,
Okay.
you got too much to total, ma'am. It's in the thousands.
Yeah, we spoke about it. She understands that your priority are those two no proof of insurance civil infractions, right, Ms. Goodman?
Yes. Yes.
And then she's going to pay the reinstatement fee, I'm sure, on that OWI.
Yes, and there may be some other lingering $45 reinstatement fees. I'll talk to you about them.
On that OWI at the very least, because I'm sure that that's going to have some kind of effect. Ms. Goodman, I wish you a safe, happy holiday season, ma'am, and best of luck to you, okay?
Yes, I have one question. I do have one question. Do I continue to drop?
No,
I do drop one. I'm done with testing.
You are.
Okay, thank you, and you have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and I'll see you guys January the 8th.
No, you won't see us January 8th. That's you don't have to come back. That's
Oh, okay.
it's just yep, you just need to take care of it and pay it. All right, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
All right, best of luck to you.
Thank you, and the same here.
Thank you.
All right.
All right, officers, Baker, Corporal Baker, and Rule, and Officer Bird. All of you have a safe, happy holiday season. If I don't see you, be safe out there, all right?
You as well, Your Honor. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.
Yeah, I'll have a great day. See you next time.
Okay, thank you too. Have a great holiday.
Yeah, bye, y'all.
Thank you.